Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to restore your Windows PIN code on the Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To restore your PIN, tap I forgot my PIN underneath the PIN field, then wait a moment. You'll have two options for restoring your PIN. If you're signed into your Microsoft account on this device, tap Send Code. If you have a local account, answer one of the security questions, then you'll be able to set up a new PIN. If you don't know the answers, you'll have to perform a factory reset and erase all files to regain access. We have a separate video on how to install Windows 11 from USB on this device if you're interested. For the Microsoft account option, tap Send Code, then check your email linked to that account for the single-use code. Enter the code into the field, tap Sign In, then tap Continue. Set up a new PIN, enter it in the first field, and confirm it in the second, making sure you remember it this time, then tap OK. That's it, you now have your access back. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.